Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a quick painting of abstract alcohol ink waves painting, and it's a very easy one. So let's get started. And I will also be reviewing the Nara paper in this video. So they sent me this paper to check out how we can make beautiful paintings using alcohol ink. And for colors I will be using teal and glacier color. And I will also be using palette knife for this. This is the glacier color. It's almost like blue, and this is the teal color. And I will also be using 91% isopropyl alcohol, which I put it in a small bottle. You can use even higher percentage of isopropyl alcohol. And make sure you make this painting in a well ventilated area. You don't want to inhale the bad fumes. So first I spread isopropyl alcohol on the paper. The first layer. And as you can see, this paper is very smooth and very easy to work with for alcohol inks. And once I put that isopropyl alcohol, I just spread it using a palette knife. I'm using a plastic palette knife because that's easy to work with. And then I keep adding these colors, teal and glacier. First I add teal, then just work with the palette knife. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe because I post videos every single day. And I would also appreciate if you could please like my video and share it with your friends and post it on your Facebook groups, etc. So I get some more motivation in making daily paintings. And the advantage I see about using Nara paper is that when you add alcohol ink and the isopropyl alcohol, the paint and the alcohol spreads so smoothly that you get a fine finish to the painting. And another specialty is 100% stain free, which I will demonstrate after the end of this painting. So please stick around till the end. So basically, I love using Nara papers for alcohol ink paintings. And I just want to let you know that I have a coupon code LATA20 that if you use that and place an order on Nara website, you get 20% additional materials for free. So just wanted to let you know. And I just want to let you know that I have a coupon code LATA20 that if you use that and place an order on Nara website, you get 20% additional materials for free. So just wanted to let you know. Here I wanted to show you the speciality of Nara paper. They say it is 100% stain free, so I'm just checking it out. So I added a drop of teal color to a Nara paper, and let's see if I can wipe it out with isopropyl alcohol. So you add isopropyl alcohol. I used 91%. You can use even more percentage. So basically add that and just wipe out with a tissue paper. So like you can see the stain will be 100% gone. You may have to repeat it with more layers of isopropyl alcohol and keep repeating the steps of wiping out until the stain is fully gone. So now I will also demonstrate on how to use this on old stains, dried up stains. So when you have the dried up stains, you can just repeat the same steps of adding the isopropyl alcohol and just wiping it. So basically if you made a mistake and you wanted to reuse the paper, this is the method, and it's 100% stain free. So the colors will be completely gone 100% when you follow this process.